My cockatiel bird is so cute, so loving, and so adorable. It has a big heart. It likes to play with me, and it likes to eat. This video shows the preparation of food for my baby cockatiel and feeding it. This is milk powder, specially made for cockatiel nestlings or baby bird, can be found online or in any pet shop. Since I have just one cockatiel baby and I just want to make 40 ml of the food. First I have boiled the water and it's not so hot, but since I don't want to use this food more than one day, so I'm just using two spoons. Also, there is another reason that my bird likes to eat so much, so I'm mixing them well. Okay, it looks like more watery. Let's add one more spoon. Not too hard or not too soft, not too liquid and not too hard, because it gets difficult for the bird to there's some small solid. Make sure that the powder is well mixed in the water. Each time I feed every 3 hours. I feed more like 2 to 3 ml and 1 ml of water, or 2 ml of food, 2 ml of water. This is actually not very clear, but it's 40 ml now. I will use this syringe to feed the bird, and here are some indicators: 1 ml, 2 ml, 3 ml, and this syringe to feed water. I have an extra cup. I keep water in this. Now the feeding temperature. I use a thermometer to check the temperature. If it's the feeding temperature should be from 35 to 40 degrees Celsius. And same goes for water. The temperature should be from 35 to 40 degrees Celsius. Make sure that there are no lumps remaining in the feed. The solid remains. It's well mixed. It's almost ready, yeah. Voilà. Oh.
Wait. Slowly. Little bit more. Okay. Done. No more. Happy? Oh. Actually, he's happy and energetic. Got energy after having food. So